Hi, my name is Michael Bashkin. I'm an instructor here at the Marc School of Woodworking, and this is a Tool Tuesday segment. So I wanted to tell you about this tool that I developed and we're using in class. It's called a Grammel, and it is used in several aspects of guitar building, mostly in binding and purfling work. And it has a brass beam that holds the blades. There's two set screws that allow you to precisely control the width of the cut, and 1/4 of a turn is 3/1000 of an inch, so you can really dial in very exact measurements. The beam is also held in by this set screw right here, and the beam can be flipped around and used in 4 different positions. On this side of the beam, holds a wider blade like a scraper blade, and this side of the beam holds 3 different blades: a double bevel blade, right-hand bevel, and a left-hand bevel blade. The tool also comes with a sharpening jig, which has the angles milled right into this surface, so the tool is very easy to sharpen. You just load it up, set it down on one of these angles, tighten it down with a thumb screw, and then just put it right on your sharpening stone, or however you like to sharpen your tools, and it helps give you a very nice edge to the tool, which is very important. And the blades are made from A2 steel and have a Rockwell hardness of 61. And that's pretty much the tool. So thanks for tuning in to Tool Tuesday, and we hope to see you here at Marc School of Woodworking.